Quiet on the set. Oh my, you're gonna die. Now you're gonna die. You're dead for that. Alright guys, we got this Khalid right here behind me. This is going in a satin white aluminum. It's actually like a satin silver. This is our go-to for the silver. The entire Cullinan is going to be wrapped in this color. Everything on the outside. We're not going to do any chrome. We're going to do everything in this satin silver. We did the door jambs, removed the doors. As you can see, look how beautiful that looks. This car was that Nardo gray color. So from Nardo gray to the satin silver, as you can see inside the door right here, it's still Nardo gray. Door panel goes over this, so you're not going to see any of that. Interior of this car is really beautiful. It's blue, so we're going to be showing you all those details later. He already had 26s on there before. We did a long time ago, so we're going to be making those silver. Right now they're at powder coat. Those are going to come back too. So a full silver Cullinan, something that we haven't done before. You usually do the white ones, the black ones, all that, but this is going to be really different. So stay tuned for this guy.
All right, so we have a Mercedes G63 here. Javier is currently working on this car right now. Service on this thing, oil and filter. The door lock was broken on this car. We took the door panel out, fixed that as well. Now we're checking the last thing, which is a power steering leak on the car. So yeah, when the customer came in the office, he brought this piece here inside completely off. I don't know how it happened, but we took this whole panel out, put this back together in a matter of like maybe 25-30 minutes, and yeah, that's about it. So we're doing the rest right now. We just got to figure out this power steering leak, and the car will be right back to 100%.
Don't do the video, they're gonna think I'm bored and I'm getting
I let him do that because he's a little boring. So he has nothing to do like always. So today he tried to make something, you know. Hey, take a break. Take a break.
I'm just giving you a table. Say thank you.
To do something over here, try to make this one flat. I don't know how you're gonna do. I need to learn about you. What do you do today?
It's okay, I will teach you.
Just to show you guys what's happening here, my helper, Luis,
Ese soy yo. I do the easy job.
we're missing the one flare on this Jeep wide body kit. It's nowhere to be found, so we're making a flare ourselves. We have the other side flare, so it helps a little bit, but Luis over here, my helper, using his help, I created this piece with fiberglass and Bondo. He's cutting out the rough parts for me right now, but as you can see, that's fiberglass. Luis, put that on the car for me, thank you.
How you say?
Put it on the car. As you can see, this side has the gas door as well, so we have to cut it out. But there's the flare we're making. It's obviously not done. We're making out of scratch, literally no piece. The rest of the body kit is here. It needs a lot of work, as you can see.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be modifying all that. A lot of guys get these body kits and they think it just goes on, but it's not the case. I have to fix it all with the help of Luis over here. Maybe you can't recognize it, but this was orange before. Our good buddy Offset's car. We took the wrap off, it's white now. We're doing the body kit. We're gonna put wheels on it. We're gonna wrap it another color. He's trying to decide what color right now. So we're gonna come up with a color, wrap it up and everything. So is that the trunk lid?
Yeah.
Did I tell you to mold it?
You didn't say that, but I do. What? You have a problem with that?
So there's the trunk lid. He molded it on. He took an extra step, did it even more
Hey.
better than it's supposed to be, which is what happens at RDB. You bring your car here, you want this little job, but you get a better job. So if you want to come underpay and get a great quality job, you come to RDB.
Deposit until we finish the car. Let's do like satin white maybe?
Yes, satin white.
Satin white would be amazing.
All right, guys, you already know we're the leader of modifying Uruses. There's one here that's going in for a wide body. However, there's a company from Russia called Formacar that I've been talking to for a while. They did a pretty wild wide body Urus kit. They wanted to send us a kit, so we do a Urus. It got shipped a while ago. We were kind of disappointed it wasn't coming in, and then today's the day it showed up in a huge box that was pretty much smashed. We opened it, a bunch of pieces are broken, unfortunately. A lot of stuff wasn't, but some crucial parts were broken, like the bumper and the fender. We're either gonna get new parts or we're gonna fix that. That's a pretty serious Urus kit. It's not like the 1016 one we do where it's pretty simple. This thing is wild. Full bumper replacements, fender replacements, all that stuff. We're gonna try to do a pretty wild Urus build with it. I'm very, very excited about it because it's pretty aggressive. I obviously love the 1016 kit, but this kit is outrageous, and the material that this kit is made out of is very thin fiberglass. This is one way they offer it. They also offer it in carbon fiber, but they send it to us in this way just to do it quick. It's not very, very thick, heavy, solid carbon fiber, which I hate. I mean fiberglass. This is very thin, it's flexible. Unfortunately, because it is thin, it's very fragile. It's a piece of cake for us to fix that. But yeah, now we're gonna just figure out a Urus to do. Yeah, let's see what we're gonna do.
This thing is so nice. Performante. Sounds good, drives amazing. The power on this car, I don't even know how much horsepower this car has, but I mean, this is crazy. And it's just a perfect all-around Lamborghini to have. Question. These two cars that came, they're Jake Paul's cars, right? Okay. What do we, they're both wraps?
Yeah.
Okay, so can we talk about it on like YouTube a little bit or something, or we can't?
Yeah, you can do whatever you want.
Okay, fine. Okay, wait. There you go. Our proof from RDBLA. So we can talk about it. We're free at last. What the hell are you doing over there? Oh my god.
¿Pero qué estás haciendo?
Huh?
What are you doing?
We're filming.
Filming? For what? For what?
Filming. YouTube.
Yeah, what are you telling the people about this?
We're gonna talk about it.
About what?
About what we're gonna do to the car.
Oh,
Do you know what this car's here for?
exactly. What are you gonna do in this?
Do you know what this car's here for? Any idea or no? What do you think?
20.
Huh?
21?
What does that mean? No, what are we doing to this? You know? What do you think? Rims, wheels, what do you think? If you get this right, I'm gonna buy you lunch tomorrow.
If I had it right.
If you get it right, I'm gonna buy. Yeah, not if I have the
Man,
right. If you get it right.
Last time you said you're gonna buy lunch for everybody. Oh,
I did.
You're a freaking liar. Mentiroso, man. ¿Cómo?
I did buy you lunch last time. Remember?
What? 1 year ago?
Yeah. It was pizza, but I bought it.
Yeah, you buy the pizza. Last time you buy the pizza I remember, it was a big one.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It was enough for 50 people.
Exactly. That's 2 years ago.
Yeah. Well, once I start making a little more money, I'll buy it again. What do you think we're gonna do? What is this car here for?
First, we need to change the hood.
We're not cheap.
We need to change the hood. We need to look. We make something. Come on, that's perfect.
We're
now.
gonna check.
This is perfect. I don't know what we're gonna do.
We're gonna do something.
At least it's something, bro. You say something, no?
Yeah. And he never guessed what we're gonna do.
It's my first day back because I tested positive for last week, about 7 days ago, 8 days ago. So I haven't been at work, been quarantining at home. My symptoms were very, very light. I tested negative yesterday and I came back to work and been working. But yeah, this is serious. A bunch of us have gotten it here at the shop. Moses got it like a month ago.
Yeah.
He handled it really well like me. Sarkis, you guys know, was sick. He didn't handle it well. He pretty much slept at home and played Call of Duty for 2 weeks. So yeah, be safe out there. We're back to work, back on the grind. I came back to a lot of mess Moses messed up on.
Definitely not true. That's what teamwork is. When people are absent, the doors still remain open at RDB. Just remember that.
Yeah, but the teamwork wasn't there and you failed.
When you came back, the doors are still open. That's all that matters.
Oh my god.
Are we a team or not?
What?
Are we a team or not?
Of course.
Thank you very much.
A nice team losing parts on cars.
Yeah. Well, losing parts is number one.
Why is your man so dirty?
Hey, I'm working.
He's a dirty
What
guy.
yours not dirty? Because you don't do nothing.
Wow, that's
So
true.
I thought we were a team.
agree. I one time agree with you.
So I thought we were a team. Now we're not a team?
We can make it if you want to go in the back.
See, I'm not the only one bullying. So it's like a train here. I bully him, he bullies him, he bullies Javier in the back. So everybody bullies somebody here.
Yeah.
I hate when somebody don't bully me.
So you like to get bullied?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good.
Are you a sick person? This was your dumb idea. You're stupid. Yours. If I die and I don't go home today, I'm gonna kill you. Oh, hey, bro, no, this is scary. No, you can't. I'm not doing it.
Have some fun. You used to have fun, bro.
Bro, this is not fun. This is torture. You guys are trying to kill me and shit. What the hell is the matter with you guys? Welcome to 2021. It's gonna be a fun year.
Let me help you.
Okay.